Getting ready to go to Zion National Park. Follow me, I'm going to show you step by step to get to Zion from Los Angeles. I like to leave at night, it's so calm and nice to drive at night. I stopped to get gas. I want to make sure I have full tank gas before I leave because it's going to be a long drive. From Los Angeles, take I-10 east about 40 miles. Then take I-15 north about 360 miles. Then take State Route 9 west about 12 miles. Then turn right at West 500 north about 28 miles. I stop for gas. I'm a little hungry, so I grab hot dog for a little snack. It's very good though, maybe because I'm so hungry.
We just got to Zion. I'm really a little hungry. You gotta stop for gas, so just take a little quick bite here. You guys want some hot dogs?
Okay, a little hot dog make me feel so good now I can keep going. I'm not too far from my destination. We are about 45 minutes to Zion National Park in the state of Utah.
Okay, everybody, we are here at, we've arrived at the Zion National Park already, and right now we're just heading over to our campsite. And this trip we will be staying at Watchman Campground, and this is our first time, and we'll see how it goes, and if we like it, we'll be sure to let you guys know.
Checking into the campsite, we are campsite number B48. I drive around, look for campsite number B48. We arrived at our campsite. It's campsite number B48. It's very beautiful. It's next to the river, very nice river. It's day one, we just arrived, and it's still daytime and we don't want to waste our time. So we decided to go visit one of the old town called Fort Zion. Here we are, Fort Zionet. It's a little old town, but it's beautiful, so if you are coming to Zion Dawn, forget to stop by this place. It's about 20 minutes for Zion National Park. Day 1 we came back from Fort Zion, little old town near Zion. National Park, it's get a little dark. Making dinner for day 1. Follow us for day 2 and day 3. We will show you things you can do when you are at Zion National Park.